Animals that you probably didn't know could swim. What animal do you think is behind me right now? If you guess sloth, you're right. They can swim 3 times faster than they can move on land. Also, they can hold their breath for 40 minutes. You're probably wondering why an animal that uses so little energy is out here freestyling like Phelps. This male heard the cry of a female is now trying to doggy paddle his way into some sloth action. Just a breaststroking sloth trying to find his nut like a squirrel. I bet no one in the history of the world has ever said that sentence. Yeah, moose can swim. They can dive for over 6 meters and hold their breath for up to a minute. They've been seen swimming between islands off the coast of North America. The fact that this could pull up on you underwater is something I'm not okay with. You know what I'm less okay with? This. Elephants can cross lakes and rivers in search of food, and they're surprisingly good at it. Once a boat carrying a circus sank 50 kilometers away from the US eastern seaboard. The only animals that made it to shore? The elephants. Something about this picture just makes me happy. Camels can swim for over 3 kilometers. These are Karai camels and they'll spend up to hours swimming to mangrove islands in order to feed. Also, they've been found at sea. Yes, that is a bat. They can fly, they can swim, they can bring society to its knees with a virus, they can really do it all.